Good morning, YouTube! I am so excited. As you saw from the title, we are surprising Chris today. He has no idea, so he is out of the house right now with the kids, and we're gonna get right into this. As many of you guys probably know from all of my videos on here, my filming space is also in our bedroom. And so there's always, like you can see here, just makeup constantly all over the floor, and Chris has never said anything about it. He just walks over it and it's never a thing. I don't know, I just feel like it's just, there's so much makeup everywhere and I feel like it needs to be his space too. So today we are surprising him. My friend Natalie is coming over. She makes a ton of furniture. She's coming over today. We finally got Chris to leave the house, which is really, that was a lot of work. So he's going over to his parents' house today and helping his mom. His mom just came up with like some random excuse to like need help measuring for a fireplace. I don't even know. So my dad is coming over to watch the kids. I'm gonna help Natalie set everything up. But right now what I need to do is I need to clear out all of this and this. Also, I should probably get out of my pajamas. No, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. Natalie has arrived with all of our stuff. Ha 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 ha! And so it begins. Time to start transforming the space. You made this?
I actually made everything. So.
How on earth? Chris made me go and find his old phone because he's looking for information, because I guess Trish got him out of the house asking for information about a fireplace. So now I'm like going through his phone. I'm like, just a minute, just looking through it. I'll find it eventually. Now we have all of this stuff up. We have the light hung, and now we're hanging this tapestry. Chris loves tapestries and he loves color. So I feel like this is fitting both of those. And you did this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty that is. And it matches.
It's actually an offcut from the table that I made. So
oh, really?
It matches
perfectly. Oh, so it's like actually perfectly matched.
Yeah, it's the back of the top.
That's amazing. It's hung up and all the wrinkles are going to go in like 3 days or so. And we have these things. These things were hiding behind this little chair here. We're trying to find a place for them. It has like a mirror in it. Hello. And this piece right here. So now we're just hanging the last pieces, and then we have all like the fun little elements. Ooh, they're out here. Plants and lamps and all sorts of fun little pieces. So we'll fit those in next. So we're hanging some little shelves here. We're gonna put some plants on there, which hopefully I won't kill. These are real plants, everyone. And I've been known to kill pretty much anything. We have some pillows here. And Chris grew up in Finland, so we have the Finnish flag up in the front. And then Chris should be on his way back soon. I'm getting his mom to like kick him out so he can get back here because my dad has to leave soon. And I need the kids occupado while I surprise Chris. So hopefully this works. These were $11. Can you believe that? Look how pretty they are. So we finally have some light in the space because literally up until this point, it's been this monstrosity has been the only source of light, and it's so dim we can barely see anything. So I'm so excited that we finally have some actual light in this space. Okay, Chris is heading back now, so we're just loading everything into Natalie's car, and I think we're pretty much done. I have my camera set up to surprise him, and it's looking so good. I think he's gonna be really surprised. I don't think he has any idea. I have a surprise for you. You wanna come and see it? So first you have to put on your blindfold. Okay. That's the best I got. No peeking, okay? Okay. Okay, hold my hand. Okay, this is probably dangerous on the stairs, but I don't care. Okay. Watch your step. Don't. Okay, you have to stand in a certain spot and don't take off your blindfold yet. Okay, now you can open your eyes.
Wow.
Surprise!
This is amazing.
Natalie came over and my dad came over.
Oh.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
Yeah. The entire time is I wanted to make sure that you would have zero idea. You weren't expecting it at all, were you?
No,
Why do you think your mom was trying to get you out of the house at exactly Friday? For literally no reason. We couldn't get you out of the house. It was awful. That piece is the same wood as this one. She made that one.
Yeah.
I'm glad I surprised you, though. Yay! It was successful, everyone.
Wait, hold on. We gotta stop here.
because we actually did a whole bunch of changes in the last 2 weeks to the room since Chris saw it, and now this is what the room looks like. So you can see we added a lot more gray blue tones. We eliminated the carpet. It was just too green, and I really wanted all of the plant life to really punch up against all of that blue and white and gray. And now it has a nice soft sort of serene look to it. We got a bigger duvet so it covers the bed more in a nice deeper, more neutral gray tone. And I love all the marbling on the pillows, and I love the big white wooden piece of artwork. It's actually church wood above that Natalie had made, and it fits the space a lot more than the two smaller ones did. And I love the runner because it picks up the ivory tones on the carpet, plus the blue in the pillows and the nice gray tones all over the place. And we still have obviously the tapestry on the wall, lots of pieces that are very crisp, and I just feel like this is a really good blend of the two of us. And that is everything for this video. So give it a big thumbs up for surprising Chris, and check out the videos on the side if you want to see more videos on Rach Loves Life, and let me know if you came from this video. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys all on next Saturday's video. Love you, girls. Mwah.